Choose a safe ATM location. Use ATMs in well-lit, busy areas, preferably at Barbados Public Workers Co-operative Credit Union Limited branches or trusted locations. Avoid using ATMs in isolated or poorly lit areas, especially at night. Protect your PIN. Never share your PIN with anyone. Cover the keypad when entering your PIN to prevent others from seeing it. Choose a PIN that is not easily guessed, such as your birth date or simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4. Be aware of your surroundings. If you notice anything suspicious, cancel your transaction and leave immediately. Avoid using an ATM if someone nearby is acting strangely or making you uncomfortable. Avoid accepting help from strangers while using the ATM. Keep your cash and card secure. Remember to retrieve your cash, card, and receipt before leaving the ATM. Avoid counting cash at the ATM. Put it away securely before walking away. If the ATM does not return your card, contact Barbados Public Workers Co-operative Credit Union Limited immediately. By following these simple steps, you can keep your ATM transactions safe and secure.